And welcome back again to the Lavender Coco kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a spicy nut mix, and this is a very easy and very healthy recipe. It's a great one to serve at parties or for movie nights or to take on picnics or just for any time that you want a little energy boost. And nuts, of course, are full of healthy fats and they won't spike blood sugar, which is good news for diabetics. And of course, they make a very satisfying snack and not so likely to tempt overeating, as these usual sugar and carb-laden snacks have a tendency to do, as they kind of stimulate you to want more and more, whereas this is actually a satisfying snack. So in here I have half a cup of almonds, half a cup of walnuts, half a cup of macadamias, half a cup of cashews. You can really use any nuts you want. You can mix them or you could just use one, whichever is your favorite. So I've just got that. Now I'm just going to add some spices to give it a little bit of a lift. So I'm going to put 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, ginger, cardamom and nutmeg. And you can really use any spices that you like. If you don't like all of these, you could use different ones or just one of these. So I'll put in cinnamon, ginger, some cardamom, which is an Indian spice, used a lot in Indian cooking, and some nutmeg. Also put a pinch of Himalayan salt, just helps to bring out the flavour, and a little bit of black pepper. Now I'm going to add half a tablespoon of olive oil. And half a tablespoon of maple syrup. You can add a little more if you like your mixture to be a bit sweeter, but I tend to try to use a bit less sugar. So I'll just put half a tablespoon in. Now just mix it all together. So now just spread the mixture across a baking tray. Just get some of those nice spices and syrups on there. Now, all you have to do is put it in the oven at 180 degrees for about 8 to 10 minutes. But make sure you keep an eye on it because it can burn quite easily. So now the nuts are all done. And of course they're really delicious just the way they are. So you can just put them in a bowl and cool them down. Yeah. So you can actually just eat them as they are, or if you want to just make them a little more special, you can add some chopped dark chocolate and any dried fruit that you like goji berries, sultanas, ginger, or any other fruit, or you could add coconut or nuts, or seeds, just whatever you fancy, and just mix it into the nut mixture. So everything is coated, and then just leave to cool and serve, or grab as a snack whenever you like. It keeps well, either just in a jar or in the fridge or wherever you want to keep it. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.